In this video, I'll show you how to use your PowerBeats Pro. So how do you control your music and how do you take your calls with them? Okay, first thing you need to know is that both of them have a volume control. This is the volume control. You see on both of them, it's located right over here. So what you need to know is that if you press on the right side of this volume control button here, the volume will go up. If you press the other side, the volume will go down. You can also control the volume with Siri. If you enable Siri with them, you can simply say, "Hey Siri, lower the volume," and the volume will go down without you having to touch anything. Okay, how do you control whatever is playing in them, your music or your movie? To play pause, you see the Beats logo, it's actually a button, again on both of them. To play, press once the Beat logo. To pause, press again on it and it will pause. To skip to the next track, you need to press the Beats logo twice very fast, like double click. 1, 2, like that. You'll skip to the next track. If you want to listen to the previous track, 3 times you need to click on this Beats logo. 1, 2, 3. Again, you can do this on both of them. If somebody is calling you and you want to answer the call, simply press the Beats logo once you hear that somebody is calling you, and the call will go on. If you want to end that call, again, press that Beats logo once and the call will be off. You'll hang up. If you're talking on them to somebody and somebody else is calling you and you want to answer that second incoming call, and you want to put the first one on hold, well, just press once on the Beats logo once you hear the second call coming. To switch between calls, you just need to press once on the Beats logo and it will switch between them. If you're wearing them, somebody's calling you, but you want to decline, you don't want to talk to that person, then you just have to press and hold that Beats logo for 1 second. You're going to hear that the call got declined and then lift your finger and you'll be good to go. If you have an Android phone, I suggest you download the Beats app, and then you'll be able to change a few settings. So whatever I told you, you can change it. So to answer calls, you can change that. Mute, unmute, you can change here how this is done. You don't have to stick with what I just showed you. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, you can change the same settings by going into the Bluetooth settings and then pressing on the eye icon on the right side of where you see PowerBeats Pro. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.